Everybody put your hands up. I put them up, put them up, put them up. Cool song. Good. Cruise dog. Big squeeze. Everybody put your hands up. Everybody put your hands up. Everybody put your hands up. Put them up, put them up, put them up. Alright. Here we go. Let's check. I said welcome to my neck of the woods. You see it's cold country. See me in the kitchen, call me the young old grumpy. He's so funky, chunky, big spoon soup. So break out your buckets and lace up your moon boots. It's that idiot savant that can't do basic mathematics, but somehow master time travel. I'ma give them what they want, hit them with the fork, with the Springer Man and a slice of pineapple. We all built the city. I'm just a sly fox that drives off the livestock and milks the titty. Yes, he's filthy, gritty, young pro, don't flow so gung-ho like I need TV from a bunghole. The carefree square twee, walking, rocking bare feet. Yes, I'm one of the last of a rare breed. Hip-hop heads is anxious, throwing temper tantrums for the rhymes, cause it's like lines to the devil's tantrum. How y'all feeling out there? Make some noise. Like it. Like it. Well, many moons ago on the bloody battlefield, an ancient warlord planted dragon's teeth. The crew sprouted up in Appalachian hills, dropping ill raps to Billy Platinum beats, and I'm still the show if you don't offer me a portion. Sip the scoring beat from the mythology and Norseman. It's that uber tough, dirty, two-rounded board. Take a Buddha puff, super food till my chomp is sore. Stomping floors, we be soft-core citizens. Want some more like a soft-core titty glimpse. Get off the court, set the bench, freaking amateurs. I keep the gangsters inside a film canister. Chase cheaters after puffin' Ace Reaper. Well, no face, see the chiller by the space heater. A whole multitudes of those and tools go for grooves. And they coked up, bust to do it. It's Austin. This place is overrun with roadie bums. Calling out the man with the golden gun. Better hold your tongue. Entering the beast land, best to be prepared. Don't drink the water in, don't breathe the air. All hell, the kid that tells tall tales. Got a third nipple that breeds no more wells. Who's voice though is down at the reefer spot. Fayetteville trill, 2 bucks to the beaver shot. All right. Thank you, everybody. Good night.
We out.